in the hypoxic birth injury of the newborn, a single case study. The case study explored the therapeutic role of the bacha in a 3-day-old newborn which was delayed cry or not cry after the birth as a result of the perinatal asphyxia, and it will see the response through the bacha. At the time of admission, there was morose reflex absent, no routine sucking reflex, hypotonia in all limbs, and MRI brain show HI grade 2. And GCS scoring was 8, which was moderate. Mild seizure activity was also noticed. And vital, the child was lethargic, sensorium was comatose, severe chest injury and retraction was present, extremities was cold. The child born from the Varanasi, sick baby with pale complexion, lethargic, comatose, and disoriented child. Compared with the delayed cry, reduced activity level, poor routine sucking reflex as a feeding, limited response to stimuli, lethargy and excessive sleepiness, and abnormal body movement. The findings at the time of admission, there is a hyperintensity in the bilateral periventricular region that shows the HI grade 2 category. ABG shows mild metabolic acidosis, EEG shows low amplitude sharp waves, which shows the seizure activity, and hyponatremia and hypocalcemia also noted. CSF study was normal. Birth history, in antenatal history, there is a gestational hypertension in the mother in the second trimester. Birth history, there is a meconium strain amniotic fluid after rupture of the membrane, and Apgar score was suggesting of the birth asphyxia. That's why with Ambu-Beck, positive pressure ventilation was given, and seizure activity noticed within the 24 hours of the birth of the child. This is the diagnosis based on the Sarna staging as well as Griffin grade 2 staging. And this is the staging. Now the Ayurvedic diagnosis, we can say it is a chest curve, Sharbangatavat, Pranaprit Pranvayu, Sharva Shunatto, Gyatva Smriti Valakshay, Udanaprit Pranvayu, we can also say Karma Ujo Balavarnana Smritu, and Siromarm Abhigar Janavadi. Final diagnosis is Siromarm Abhigar Janavadi due to the anemia avaran of the bath, that is the Pranaprit Pranvayu, already mentioned. Differential diagnosis as per modern method, meconium aspiration syndrome, meningitis, inborn error metabolism, intracranial hemorrhage and neonatal stroke. The treatment plan, seizure control, respiratory control, infection control, fluid maintenance, and very important series, root of the bacha, rubbed and mixed with the honey, and the paste was licked on the baby's tongue at a dose of the 10 mg per kg body weight. बच्चा का रूट जो था उसका एक्सट्रैक्ट हमने शहद के साथ बच्चे को छटाया गया था फ्रॉम द वेरी सेकेंड ऑफ एडमिशन एट ए डोज ऑफ द 10 mg per kg. And because of the rationality, we know that is the acerone group, alpha beta acerone, phenylketonoids, terpenoids present, which acts as a cognitive enhancer, anti-protective, neuroprotective, antioxidant, anticonvulsant, and antimicrobial activity present in the special study source. And there is a Ras Katutikta, Gun Laguru Tikshna, Virya Ushna, Vipak Kotu, Rashakamanda is Vartakap Shama, and Meth is very known for Bacha. And this is the midpoint observation, that's the occasional eye opening present, reduced hypotonia present, and stimulus to the painful stimuli was present, seizure activity controlled, respiratory status improved, NG feeding was started with the EBM. And this is the improvement that shows. Unfortunately, the video is not occurring here. This shows the spontaneous eye opening, and this is shows the routine sucking reflex here. And the midpoint, that's the end point, there was a spontaneous eye opening present, social smile present, and visual as well as auditory stimuli was also present. Muscle tone was normal and increased. The morose reflex was present, active routine sucking reflex present, and symmetrical DTR, no seizure activity noticed, and the mother's voice के साथ बच्चे का हमको रिएक्शन भी मिल रहा था. And respiratory status was completely under control, without oxygen saturation was maintained, no respiratory distress, laboratory follow-up was absolutely normal range. And this is the improvement that at the end of 10th day, MRI showed no significant abnormality, exclusive breastfeeding started, routine sucking swallowing coordination started, and significant weight gain noticed. Neurological change, seizure activity, respiratory improvement, feeding and weight gain, MRI changes, EEG changes, blood parameter was before and after treatment comparison, which shows significant improvement. The patient was followed up for 9 months continue. Sun-person was advised for 6 months. There was no any developmental delay for the 9 months of age and was age appropriate, as well as anthropometry was also age appropriate. There was the video shows no significant. The video is not showing. The child was active, no developmental delay is noticed. there was a anthropometrical weight gain was noticed. And the conclusion is Vacha or Aquarius calamus play a significant role to control the neonatal hypoxic birth injury as a potential neuroprotective and adaptogenic property. Further studies show that is an integrative approach to Vacha to use in newborn as a neuroprotector. The single case study show Vacha mixed with honey as a lehan shows cognitive function, sensory improvement, anti-seizure activity, and but safety, efficacy, standardization, and proper dosage should be always kept in mind in terms of the neonatal well-being. And it is also a topic of the future research. I acknowledge my guide, respected Professor Bhimsen sir, and thank you everyone. Namo Parvati Padai Har Har Mahadev. Thank you.